Welcome to another Bochiknot macrame knot tutorial. We will be going over the Prusik knot today. This is a mounted knot similar to the Lark's head knot, with the main difference being that it covers more of the object it is mounted to than the Lark's head knot. If you would like to see how I incorporated this knot into an air plant holder, you can click the suggested video up at the top, or you can click on the link in the video description below. To make the Prusik knot, take a strand of cord and fold it in half, and then attach it onto an object such as a dowel or another strand of cord, how you normally would when making a Lark's head knot. Place the cord ends through the loop end. Do not pull on the cord ends to tighten the knot. Instead, make some room in the center of the knot and then take the cord ends and wrap it around the dowel 3 more times. Pull on the cord ends to tighten the knot. You have now completed the Prusik knot. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.